Americans spend billions every year on parking, and most of us don't realize we can cash in on that demand. Today, I will show you how US residents are earning online by renting out unused driveways, garages, and parking spots through digital marketplaces. This is one of the easiest side hustles in 2025. Platforms like SpotHero, Neighbor, and ParkMobile make it simple. You list your unused parking space, maybe your driveway near a stadium, your garage near an airport, or even a small lot downtown. Travelers and commuters book online, pay through the app, and you collect passive income. It's all digital, no cash handling, no awkward meetups. The platform manages bookings, payments, and even insurance coverage in some cases. Here's the strategy for US audiences. Airports travelers pay premium rates for secure, convenient parking. Stadiums game days can triple your earnings. Downtown areas commuters pay monthly for guaranteed spots. And here's a hidden gem. Platforms like Neighbor also let you rent garage space for storage when it's not being used for cars. That means double income from the same square footage. The beauty of this side hustle is flexibility. You can rent your space only on weekends, during events, or full-time. For Americans, this is a smart way to turn unused property into recurring digital cash flow without building websites or selling products.